But the question is Ipsy using these brand names and making their own product, putting it in this brand's box, calling it that brand when it's actually not, and it's a product made by Ipsy? Hey everybody, Alexandra here, and today we are going to be unboxing my November 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, along with talking about all the tea and happenings that's going on with Ipsy behind the scenes, what people are complaining about, and what I found out via my investigations. But first, we're going to get into this box because I know some of you guys are just here for that. Then we'll talk tea. All right, so if you guys did not know, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month. There is an ultimate, and then they, of course, have the original Glam Bag, which I think is $12 a month. I do pay for my boxes. They are not sent to me for free. And without further ado, I almost sound like a salesman just then. All right, so this is what she looks like. So normally we do an unboxing and then a try on, but for those of you guys that are new to my channel, this month I have been doing a subscriber Thanksgiving appreciation for the entire month of November. So if you guys have not checked out my 20K subscriber appreciation video, I highly suggest you do. And I have been responding to comments and picking people randomly all month long and giving things to, and that is exactly what I will be doing with the contents of this box. So let's see what somebody's gonna get. All right, the first item I'm seeing in here is from Illamasqua, and let's open our little pamphlet up here and find the prices. So it looks like this product values for $45, and it is a Hydra Veil Primer. Now I will say I love Illamasqua products, like love them. As a matter of fact, one of my favorite lipsticks came in a previous Ipsy box. It is this one right here. It is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, just gorgeous. Okay, but back to this. So whoever gets this box is going to be getting the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Primer, and I'm curious to know how that works. So let me know, whoever you are. All right, the next product is this one right here. It is the Sculpt Bronzer Duo by Gigi Gorgeous. Now, this is another one of those collaboration products. We're going to talk about that here in a minute. But first, let's crack this open if we can. There we go. And it says this retails for $24. So I'm going to take the little doodad off of there and show you guys what it looks like. It looks like a very, very, very pretty color. So according to the back of the packaging here, it looks like there is two different bronzers in this little palette. There's one in Extra and one in Turnt. And I guess that's so you can sculpt and define and contour your facial features and all that kind of good stuff. So also this is cruelty-free and vegan. Just if you didn't know. You do now. All right, so the next product here is this one right here, and it looks like it's from Belle in Argent, and it's in the color Smoking on Screen. That sounds very interesting. And this values at $26. And can we just talk about this packaging for a second? Because, oh my God, I'm just saying. Like, that is some gorgeous, oh my gosh, like, do you guys see the little stars on it? That literally reminds me of the packaging. I'm not even joking. Like, do you guys see that? So this is ColourPop's packaging, and this is this lipstick's packaging. So let's see what color. Ooh, that is definitely a fall color. Look, it matches my shirt. Ah, that is beautiful. So whoever gets that, I really hope you enjoy it because that's a color I love. I'm just saying. All right, so let's put this back in here. And the next item we have is this right here, which is the Punk Volumizer Mascara by, I think this is pronounced Ducey. I don't know. Ducey. I've actually think I've received this in a previous box, and I think I used it all up. So I can't remember if this was good or not, but I don't have it anymore, so that must mean I used it all. And this retails for $24. And by the way, the lipstick retails for $26. I think I said 24, but the lipstick retails for $26. This retails for $24. All right. The last but not least item. Oh, never mind. I got two last but not least items. So there is a little bag in here. If you guys did not see this, I'm not a big fan of cheetah print myself. It's just me. I know. I feel like it's just, I don't know, like 90s. Does this not say 90s? I know some people love the 90s vibe, but it wasn't my favorite time. Just saying. All right. And then this right here is the Sarafine Botanicals Happy Hibiscus 99% natural blush palette for all skin tones. So as you guys can see, it is like all sealed up here. So I'm not going to open it. I would love to open it and show you. I'm going to see if I can find a picture of it and put it up here. So this retails for $48. And again, I just don't want to take it out of the packaging for whoever is going to get this lovely box. Now, I'm going to put these products back into this box and pack everything back up so I can ship it to one of you guys. And then we're going to talk tea. So as most of us already know, Ipsy has been doing a ton of collaborations here recently. They've done everything from icons to influencers to even brand names. We've seen Tetris and Betty Boop, even Gigi Gorgeous and Colored Rain. But the question is Ipsy using these brand names and making their own product, putting it in this brand's box, calling it that brand when it's actually not, and it's a product made by Ipsy? Well, for one product in particular, yes, they absolutely did. So as most of you guys know, last month they launched the Ipsy Glambag Ultimate, which was for a lot of people a huge catastrophe. Now, in a lot of people's boxes, they received a single Colored Rain eyeshadow, which I will put a picture up of right here. Now, for those of you guys that are not familiar with Colored Rain and Colored Rain products, their eyeshadows are absolutely amazing, and they are also made in the USA. Now, I did reach out to Colored Rain and I asked them if any of their products were in fact made in China, and they did say that a majority of their products, their makeup products, their eyeshadows, things like that, are made here in the US, but things like their eyelashes are made in China, which I don't mind. I've got a pair of their Chinese eyelashes right here. I've got them on. I love them. They're amazing. However, their eyeshadows are what really makes them who they are and what makes them iconic. And those are made here in the United States of America. However, the single eyeshadow that Ipsy put in their boxes last month were not made in the United States of America. They were, in fact, made from China. And if you look on the back of the individual eyeshadows, they actually say Ipsy collaboration made in China. So the question is, does Colored Rain know that they are putting out these products as if they were Colored Rain's products and they're really made by Ipsy? Well, I'm guessing they do. I haven't reached out to Colored Rain about this and I have not received an answer back yet. If and when I do, I of course will let you guys know. But the next question I have is, how many more brands and products have they done this with, and are they going to do this with? I mean, I don't know about the rest of you guys, but when I get a Colored Rain eyeshadow, I want that amazing Colored Rain product, not an Ipsy collaboration made in China. Now, I know this is probably a way for Ipsy to cut costs, and I'm all about good business plans and being able to do that, but I definitely feel like that on the outside carton of the box, they should have put Colored Rain Ipsy collaboration, not small print, really small on the back of the actual individual eyeshadow itself. So let me know what you guys think about this entire ordeal. Did you receive a Colored Rain single eyeshadow? Did you pick up on this? Or is this new news to you? Or have you found another product that maybe Ipsy has done this with that you didn't realize until afterwards? Again, I would love to hear your guys' opinions on this entire ordeal. And as always, I love you guys so very much. And I will see you tomorrow with our next video. Ha! You guys thought it was the end of the video, and it's not. what? No, but seriously, I just got done setting up my new filming area. What do you guys think? I'm super, super excited about it. And this holiday season, those of you guys that have been with me for a while, you know I absolutely love, love, love the holidays. And I wanted to tell you guys, so in tomorrow's video, I'm going to be going over all kinds of tips and tricks and all of my penny pinching ways, all of my little secrets with you guys on how you can make out like bandits too during the Black Friday sales and what to watch out for, that kind of thing, along with we are going to be unboxing this big old thing right here, and I'll give you just a little sneak peek preview. Are you ready? There's 2 Jackie Aina palettes, and you guys know I don't need 2 palettes, and to go with one of those palettes, there's a Stila lip gloss. All right, so that's enough of that. So if you guys have not checked out that video, if it's tomorrow, then you need to go check it out. If it's not tomorrow yet and it's today, then you just gotta wait till tomorrow. All right, so I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.